This opens up the UIBBs. We can scroll down and we can select one of the plants, let's say 1210, so that and then we get into the edit mode. So we have already selected the change request type. So the first thing we can use this and scroll down, and now here we see the general data. So the MRP type, as we saw in the ERP system, this is no planning. The material group is empty, and in this case what we need to do, this is the plant specific material status. So to check this we need to select this option as 01, and then so we know that derivations are basically executed on the round trip, and then we press the enter button, and with the enter button, so now you see the two values are getting populated. So if I remove this value, so here the value ND changes to PD, and the value of MRP group, which was earlier blank, changes to material group. So according to the value definition, so again if I remove this value, press enter, then let's say if I reset this back to ND, so I select this value, let me select this value to ND, and let me reset this back to initial. So this is my starting condition. Now let me again select this value 01. So this is a different entity type, MMSTA, and after I select this value, I press enter. So when I press enter, we know that derivation actually works with the enter. So again, the two, according to these two values, the MRP type and MRP group gets determined. The MRP type now is PD, and the empty value changes to 0001, and MRP type changes from ND to PD. So, and then so this way the derivation can be built using the BRF plus artifacts and plus using the cross entity body. So guys, this is what this video was all about. Thank you so much. Thanks.